Here's the deal. 16 bowlers, double elimination bracket, top 3 make the TV show. Let's go to work. Day 4, Junior Gold. It's early. It is currently 7:19 in the morning, and we're still alive, so that's good. Lost our first.
So are all these other people.
So are all these other people. So we lost the first match, but we won the second match, so we are still alive. We're in the same spot as last year. So yeah, that's about all I got. Bob?
Morning, guys. It's the last day of the tournament.
I feel like we started yesterday.
Well, kind of.
Let's go play some bowling.
Making his second Junior Team USA appearance. He was the champion of this event last year. He's from Jackson, New Jersey. Put your hands together for Justin Bohn. Qualifier was just crowned the 2023 U20 Junior Gold Boys Champion.
United States.
Yeah, baby.
Say United States.
I'd say.
It's year 2, baby. Year 2. Alright, well, recapping my junior gold experience and match play. Ended up losing the first match. Parker Laubach shot 230 at me the first game when I bowled 160, and well, 70 pins is hard to come back. I tried to, just didn't have enough ball reaction to throw that many strikes to end up beating him. Winning the losers bracket, bowled Spencer Robarge, bowled a bunch against him and beat him, and then drew Parker Laubach again in the third round of match play, and he got my number again. Bowled a little bit better against him, but just didn't have enough score to beat him. Ended up finishing 9th overall for the week. Pretty happy with my week. There were 2 goals coming into the week. One was to hopefully defend the title, and made a pretty good run at it. But the second goal was to make Team USA. We qualified 4th to earn that automatic spot, and man, it's an awesome feeling to have this jacket on right now and to have this medal around my neck. Look at that. Team USA 2024. Worked hard when the times got going tough this week. Filled frames when I could, and when I had the ball reaction, was able to throw some strikes and was able to get the job done. What an awesome feeling. But for now, that's going to wrap up my week at the 2023 Junior Gold Championships. The young kids start on Friday, which is tomorrow, with 3 practice days and then competition starting on Monday. So be sure, stay tuned for that, Crew Empire. And for now, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.